and welcome to Market Gyaan, your own channel where we try to bring you the best research ideas and the best research tips. So, today's breaking news is that India's biggest conglomerate, Reliance Industries and Facebook, have entered into a strategic partnership wherein Facebook has taken a 9.9% stake for almost 44,000 crore rupees in Reliance's subsidiary, which is Geo Platforms. So, friends, yeah, this is a very strategic partnership which is going to bring in huge gains for both the business houses. It's going to make our lives easier also and lives better also in the coming future. This strategic partnership will make ease of payments through the Geo platform, and it will in India it will help ease the offline and online e-commerce business. And basically, what it was Mukesh Ambani's and Reliance's vision was to connect all neighborhood kirana stores. If you know, kirana in India is the regular local neighborhood grocery shop. So Mukesh Ambani's vision was to connect all these kirana stores, and so the buyers can connect directly with these kirana merchants, and they can place order on WhatsApp, which will be provided by Facebook, of course, and through their payment gateway, which they both jointly will develop and can make the payment. So, in short, this strategic partnership is going to make ease of living, ease of ordering, a big boost to the people's lifestyles, make our lives simpler, and that's what the big business houses always do. They have the bigger vision. They try to simplify the lives of people, and they always look at the larger picture. They always try to come in early, try to get the advantages of scale, and that's what both these business houses are up to. And for Reliance Industries, it is a big boost in a way that from last year it was always trying to bring down its debt levels, which is huge in the balance sheet. And Reliance aimed at reducing its debt by almost 50 to 70% by March 2021. So this record-breaking deal would ease the debt burden of Reliance Industries and make it a step closer to seeing its dream of becoming a debt-free company. So that was breaking news for today, guys. And today I just want to share with you some intraday trades which I took today and just share some of little technical details on that, which may even help you to trade a little bit and help you to learn a little bit, a small tutorial. And so we'll just jump directly to my trading page where and I use Zerodha. Zerodha's software is an amazing award-winning software which even you guys can subscribe to. Go to Zerodha and just open an account there, and you can get and you make the use of this software, which is Kite. So today's trade was on Nifty, and obviously since I'm making this video after the market hours, I have erased all my chart tools so that I could redraw those tools and explain to you how I've taken the trade. Although in the end of the video, towards the end, stay till the end, I will show you how the trades was taken and how the small profits were captured. So uh, if you go to the Nifty chart and see today 22nd, I'll just zoom in the chart a little bit. Uh, if you see the first 15 minutes, then the Nifty didn't give much of a direction. Then it came down a little bit, and then then there was another green candle which you can see here. So what I normally do is I trade the trend line. So if we try to draw a trend line with the activity of Nifty, and I will just show you how the trade was possible. So I draw the trend line from here all the way up till here, and this is how the trend line looks like. Yeah, so I'll just zoom this out once again. And on 22nd, so first 15-minute candle red, didn't do much, and it came down a little bit. There's no direction. But as you can see the Nifty was bouncing off these trend lines. So there's a green candle here, then there's a doji here, which is indecision. So what prompted me to go long was this candle, this small green candle, which has closed above this doji, and it has bounced. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see it has bounced off very well from the trend line. So this kind of indicated me that this was a time to go long, but and also my another indicator, which is the VWAP, the red line, the candle has closed above it, and my blue, very important, EMA 14. So both the times the prices have closed above these indicators and also bounced off the trend line, which gave me a signal that market was about to go up, and all I needed was a good entry point. So yeah, I put an entry at around 9,000 levels, 9,010 levels. I entered the market around this place where I found the price to be breaking today's high, and around this price 9,000, 9,010, we have entered the trade, the first intraday trade. And I try to put my target here on this black line, which was the support of earlier days, so it will be resistance of today, so around 9,100 odd levels. So this was my first trade of the day. We exited the trade where my cursor is pointing. This was the first trade of the day where we exited here, and we captured a profit of almost 6,000 rupees, which I'll share with you in the end of the video. So please stay with us. So yeah, and so we captured this trade in around 40 minutes, and moving on, the Nifty kind of just then bobbed here up and down. It really never uh, told us anything what to do. So when I watched this trend, I saw this again, Nifty going up, although after booking our profit it did go up. And when this retracement happened here, where you can see my cursor and this green candle again kind of kind of opened closed above this red, it kind of gave me a trend, a signal that the Nifty was ready to continue its upward momentum. Although I normally don't take a second intraday trade, but today I thought the momentum was good, so I filled in this trade around 91 20, 91.30 odd levels. And although I drew another trend line which gave me a target, I will draw that trend line right in front of you, which is here. And the target gave me, the target was set at 9,200. Although if I zoom it, the target is, I kept a target of 9,200 odd levels. But as I said, friends, it was a second trade, and we were nearing 110, 115. So I exited the trade around 9180, 9190, capturing around 60 odd points on the trade, around 4,000, 4,500 odd rupees. So although the trade did go up even after 9,200, around 9221, it made a higher, just almost touching our trend line. And see, this is the importance of trend lines, my friend. I wanted to show you how beautifully, during, if you trade during the day and with proper discipline, with your trend lines in place, with your indicators in place, you can capture such kind of small moves and have a profitable day. So just wanted to share this, and keep watching. I will share with you the live videos going ahead. So yeah, please stay on. Around 9:15, our buy order got filled up when we saw the bouncing of Nifty from the trend line. So I placed a buy order at 90-30 it got filled up, and now the trade is moving in our favor. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so this is the intraday trade for today. Yes, and तो हमने यहाँ पे देखिए जो सपोर्ट था, यहाँ पे this support becomes resistance, and around this level we have exited the trade. So the first round of intraday within almost say 40 minutes or so, 35 minutes, we've booked a profit of 6,000. So I just wanted to show an intraday trade and what's possible. So yeah, we exited a trade around 9110. I'll show you my real account also, just as a proof. Yeah. So friends, yeah, today is an extraordinary day. We got a second chance also to enter Nifty to go long again. Reason why I went long, I'm trying to show here, is if you see the cursor, this green candle here, where my cursor is, this gave me a signal to go long again, although I had booked my profit, as I showed you in my earlier video, earlier. And we went long again here because it again gave a positive signal that Nifty has just retraced, but the momentum is still on. So we took the trade here, and I exited the trade around 9,200 odd levels. Sorry, before 9,200, because it was almost 115 at that time. Uh, and uh, and although it did make after the trade did went up to 9220, but I exited 9180 because I just want to take the profits before the closing time, and it's always better to close the trades which is around 3 o'clock Indian time. So yeah, again we made around 4,500 rupees in a 40-minute trade again. So this is just I wanted to show you, and that's for today. Yeah.